Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this honeycomb in Solidworks software. You are watching it. Okay, normal plane, and this plane it will be, and it will be show this way, this way, this way. I'm showing all object. So 3D project. So at first I'm taking the file, go to file and taking the new. Okay, a 3D representation of a single design component is selected, then okay. Then I'm going to select here MMGS, taking the front plane to the normal, go to the sketch and taking the hexagonal, take it, I'm draw here. Okay, I'm drawing another one is here. Okay, done. Then I'm going to here and taking the smart dimension, and from here to here the linear dimension it will be 20 millimeters. This portion it will be 50, and this portion it will be also 50. And from here to here the linear distance will be 10 millimeters. Then okay, then I'm selecting in, click right button, delete, click here right button and delete. Then I'm selecting two objects at a time, then going to the linear patterns and taking it. You are watching, it will be two object is copied, so I'm increasing it up to 7 and taking it distance 110. Here the main distance is 110 totals, and its y-axis it will be 3. I'm taking it 5, and the distance I'm taking 200 plus. Actually I'm taking it when it will be gap. Here gap is here not so much gap, so I'm taking it 220. I'm taking it 210. Okay, done. Then okay, you're watching this hexagonal. Then I'm going here and taking the corner rectangle, and I'm taking it from here to up to here. Okay, then okay, then go to the feature, extruded boss is selected. Then I'm going here and I'm taking the mouse, this shape will be created, then click. Okay, and I'm increasing it up to 60 millimeters or 70 and taking it from mid plane. You're watching it. Okay, I'm decreasing it, I'm taking it up to 70 millimeters, then okay. You're watching it. Then I am taking the material and changing the colors. I'm taking the metal, okay, chromium, copper, nickel, iron, whatever you can select. Glass, no, I'm not taking the glass, I'm taking the light. You're watching. Or I am taking the solid or fabric stone. When it will be a stone, this will be show. I am taking the galvanized, it will be not showing painted. Okay, it will be painted this way. This color will be show. I am taking the bronze, tones is not selected. Okay, I am taking here solid, I am taking the red one or orange, then I am changing the color from here. I am taking this one and changing it. I am in the variation. I mean the red one is perfect, and try to change RGB mode is selected, that's why red, green, yellow, red, green and blue color is selected, which is RGB color. Okay, done. You're watching it. Then we can go here and taking this one. You're watching all view. We can change the color. Okay, going here and initial one is selected, then going here, different types of view you will show. Okay, you can show this. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and wait for last video.